Hello everybody, it's Sean here and we're back again with another video, and this time it's a special one dedicated just for you. Yet again, another year is about to end as we explore the new world of 2024. And time passed way too fast, don't you think? Faster than I would talk normally in my videos.
These are the two primary differences of European and American fashion brands.
If this is your first time knowing Bottega Veneta, you might have asked, how is this a luxury bag? And as we approach the new year, I just want to say congratulations because we made it! This year, 2023, it is not as easy as we thought it would be. But whenever there are setbacks, let us not forget that there is always a chance that we could overcome these challenges or problems with something even better. Because whether we like it or not, there is always something new to look forward to. Your lowest point in life right now might just be a trampoline for you to jump back up and rebuild and start to be better. Because at the end of the day, challenges and overcoming them is what makes you the person you are today. And with that being said, I would like to thank you all and wish everybody a happy new year. Stay fabulous as always.